If you are getting the try again problem in the Play Store on MSI app player, don't worry, this is very common issue and it can usually be fixed a few simple steps. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection causes the Play Store or stop loading. Next, restart MSI app player and try again to open the Play Store again. If the problem is still there, go to Android settings inside the emulator, open apps, then find the Play Store and clear both cache and data. After that, restart emulator once again. Another important step is checking the date and time settings. Incorrect time settings can stop Google service from connection properly. Set the date and time to automatic mode. You should also update MSI app player to the latest version because older version may have Play Store bugs. In some cases, sign out of Google account and logging in again can also solve the issue. If none of these methods work, create a new emulator instance. Or reinstalling MSI app player may completely fix the problem. This easy solution solves the Play Store try again error for most users. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.